Transformer explained. In this video I'm going to explain the transformer. A transformer is an electrostatic device that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another, causing a change in the value of the voltage. It only works with the AC current. Okay, so let's see. This is the component or the transformer in real life. This is the explanation circuit or explanation image to explain how does the transformer work, and we also can use this image to or this symbol in the schematic circuit. Okay, so the transformer is an electrostatic device. Okay, this device transfers the electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit, causing a change in the value of the voltage. So that means that this component changes the voltage or the value of the voltage. Okay, for example, it changed from 220 volts to 12 volts. Okay, it only works with an AC current. Okay, that means that this device can't work with the DC current. Let's see. Types of transformer. There is two types of the transformer. There is many types of transformers, but the most famous and used types are the step-up transformer, and it transforms voltage from low value to high value. For example, from 12 volts to 220 volts. The second type is the step-down transformer, and it transforms voltage from high value to low value, for example from 220 volts to the 24 volts. Let's say that this transformer is a very important component. Why? Because we are using this component in the phone charger. For example, the phone charger, we transform the voltage from 220 volts or 110 volts depending on your country. Okay, and then we transform it to 5 volts or 6 volts, and then we connect to it a diode bridge, and then a capacitor, and then some sort of component that this is a regulator, and then we are going to transform this 5 volts AC 5 volts to DC 5 volts. So we are using this 5 volts DC 5 volts to connect it to the phone, and then the phone will get charged because the phone get charged with a 5 volts DC. Okay, so we are using this component, the transformer, to transform from a very high value as the 220 volts or 110 volts to the 5 volts that we are using in the charging of our phones. So that's it in this lecture. See you in the next lecture.